Fake apps are everywhere. They look legitimate, feel familiar, and often promise useful features. But behind the scenes, many of these apps are designed with one purpose: to exploit users. In this video, we'll explain how hackers use fake apps, why they are so effective, and what you can do to protect yourself, all explained in simple terms. Now let's talk about warning signs. Poor grammar in app descriptions, low-quality screenshots, and vague developer information are common indicators of fake apps. So how can you stay safe? Education is your strongest defense. Understanding how fake apps work reduces the chance of falling victim to them. In conclusion, fake apps exploit trust, curiosity, and convenience. By staying cautious and informed, you can protect your data and your devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech guide.